Benefits of papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is rich in nutrients and has many potential health benefits. Some of the potential benefits of consuming papaya include: first of May, improve digestion. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps to break down protein and may aid in digestion. Second of May, reduce inflammation. Papaya contains antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which may help to reduce inflammation in the body. Third of May, support heart health. The antioxidants in papaya, along with other nutrients such as potassium and fiber, may help to support heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease. Fourth of May, support skin health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in papaya may help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and support the production of collagen, which helps to keep the skin looking youthful and radiant. Fifth of May, boost immune function. The vitamin C in papaya may help to boost the immune system and protect against illness. Sixth of May, support weight loss. Papaya is low in calories and high in fiber, which may make it a helpful addition to a weight loss diet. Seventh of May, improve eye health. The vitamin A in papaya may help to support eye health and reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions such as macular degeneration. Eighth of May, support healthy pregnancy. Papaya is a good source of folic acid, which is important for the proper development of the neural tube during pregnancy. 9th of May, reduce the risk of cancer. Some studies have suggested that the antioxidants in papaya may help to reduce the risk of certain kinds of cancer, such as breast, lung, and colon cancer. 10th of May, support bone health. Papaya is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health and may help to prevent osteoporosis. It's important to note that while papaya has many potential health benefits, it should be consumed as part of a well-balanced diet. It's also important to speak with a healthcare professional before making any changes.